Okay, after a long gap, we are meeting. And today we are going to discuss the concept of burn rate. I think within 2 hours, we will complete our syllabus. We are having one more topic, that is source of finance. That is financing by government of India and Karnataka. That is the only part remaining. Remaining thing, payback period, break-even analysis, they already completed, and the theory parts are available in your LMS also, so you need not worry about that one. And today our discussion is centered with the learning from failures. That is the concept. So far we have discussed everything in the successful ventures. And today we are going to learn from some of the big ventures which has been failed to do so. Okay. The reason is most of the business organization, when they started moving in the upscaling process, they fails to identify the expenses. Most of the cases, the expenses are too high. They are unable to control it. They are not ready to come out of that one. Even very good example now it is going in Zomato. Zomato is reporting that huge loss. They are incurring more expenses for these delivery boys, everything. First, they assume that we can spend more so that we can prevail in the competition over Swiggy. But still now, Zomato is running in loss. They are finding very difficult to gain the profit because they have to pay huge money for the people who are supplying. That is the thing. They fail to identify. They assume that for 6 months we can do so that we will have a nice competition for Swiggy. Some of the Swiggy customers will turn towards Zomato. That was their feelings. But what happened in the market? People are not ready to turn fully towards Zomato, saying they are using Swiggy also. It depends upon some of the places, especially in case of Bangalore, both of them are dominating. But when you are going to some other cities, Swiggy is still dominating. Zomato is finding very difficult. Most of the organization, the startups, first they will expend huge money. But later on, what will happen? They are unable to survive because they are not earning. Of course, in the beginning stages, they will spend. But same thing, if they are able to maintain to get the profit, they can continue. Otherwise, they will face the problem. Even the example of Flipkart, not now, before taken over by Walmart. Flipkart was very successful one. Later on, it was said to be failure, and the owners themselves thought in a different way. What is the problem? What went on wrong? Dear students, you are studying because in future you may start a business like that. When you are starting the business after 10 years or after 15 years, you have to think all those things. Whether we are able to control the expenses, what are all the expenses we need, how far we can manage. Every time I use the same example of hotel industries. Small hotels, they given more importance for the ambience. Otherwise, they can't attract the people like you, including me. Whenever I am going for a hotel, not now, before COVID, we used to see how whether hotel is neat and whether the servers are neat. Then we'll see, okay, they are maintaining nice this side, that side. We'll go and see, then only we'll go. That is why in most of the restaurants, they used to give more importance for the restaurant. But what happened finally, if the quality and taste is not up to the mark of the customer, these expenses become waste. Because interior is not a small thing. I came to know that most of the Bangalore people are charging, given for 10 square kilometer, around 1 lakh rupees. One of my student in second MBA is doing the interior designing. He used to tell they are charging huge money for interior, but what is the return of that one? That is the concept in which some of the entrepreneurs fails to understand the reason, the effect. Finally, they are moving backward and they are forced to close. That is why in finance, when you are starting the business, you must know your burn rate. We'll see the meaning later on. How much we are spending before getting the profit, all are burning. That means it is giving more trouble. We are running the business without any profit for first 3 months, or some cases 6 months, some cases even 1 year. We discussed the one case of the Thyrocare. Thyrocare, do you remember? For first 1 year, they have not gained not even a single pice. The reason they are spending huge money, like our Swiggy and Zomato, they are having more agents and they have to travel. All these expenses they met. 1 year they find it very tough time. Now it has been sold. Even we asked a question to that owner, that is the Venugopal. He also mentioned 1 year we struggled a lot. But we need not, we calm down. Finally, from the second year onwards, we gain profit. See that one. That is of course good, but at least 1 year they are having money to manage for at least 1 year. Some of the business, it is not like that. They are spending too much. Finally, what happened? They are not having even the cash or bank balance to run the business. They are going to shut down. In my view, they are forced to shut down. So, all the entrepreneurs must know what is their burn rate. Otherwise, the consequences is entirely different. Even for a small thing, you must know whether this expenses is good or not. When you are going for movie with your friends, nicely you selected your friends and you decided to go for a movie. You are having credit card, but the credit card is not ready to acceptable. So you are planning. Okay, you will see how your friends are having. Even you will decide, okay, you are having 1,000 rupees, I am having 500, she is having 200, okay, we will manage and go. You are deciding the money. Even though in your friends, you will tell, okay, we will go to today's movie, and today only it has released, we will go and see. But indirect, there will be pressure in your mind. Whether we are having the money, usually our students will face all those problems. I don't know your batch, but I know some of the students, what they decided to go to Elements Mall. I think there are some multi-complex there. They decided to go to movie. What happened? They started from our KJC and they entered into Elements Mall. They will go in the ground floor and first floor. Nicely they will see. And since they are going by 1:30 or 1 o'clock, because some of the movie it may start by 3 o'clock. So what they will decide? They will decide to go to the food court and have a nice dinner. Not dinner, lunch. So what will happen? They will order nice foods and they enjoy everything. Finally, their pocket money will reduce. Some of them, they may return back. That's all over without seeing the movie. I'm telling not now, 3 or 4 years back. They fail to identify what is the band rate. They need money. If you want to go to movie, now you can see every day the price are increasing or decreasing. They assume that, okay, the good movie has been released. Shah Rukh Khan movie or Amitabh or Abhishek Bachchan movie has been released. You assume that they will charge only 500 rupees per ticket. But unfortunately, since you decided to go on the release date, they may charge up to per ticket cost itself 750 rupees. By the time you will think, oh, we spend money for our food court, we can't enter into the, they return back. Usual thing, I am telling, we have to find out the band rate. Even before going, that thing. That is why after that book my show, some of them will nicely book the ticket and they will identify the each seat also. Which seat we have to select everything and they will decide everything. Once they booked, they need not worry about the McDonald's or food court or KFC in Elements Mart. They never worry about that one because they planned well. They already booked the ticket through Book My Show in Elements Mall. I think, I don't know, PVR or INOX, all these theaters, they might have booked. So they need not worry. See the difference. But some of the students taken the sudden decision to go to Elements Mall and have a nice movie without knowing the cinema ticket, because cinema ticket may increase or decrease. There is no steady price. That is the concept you must know. If you fail to identify the band rate, your objective you can't satisfy. Here is a very, very good example. Even you can ask your grandpa, or even some cases your dad may knows about the cycle, Atlas cycle. Once upon a time, it was very, very famous. Still, I remember in Bangalore, when we used to go in Christ University, in those days we used to have only Christ College. That the cycle was very famous. In Christ College, now it is Christ University, you can see the big stands there, all are full of cycle. How you will find out this person is coming in a different vehicle or not? Now you are having two-wheelers, four-wheelers fully crowded. In those days, I am telling around 1980s and 85, in those period, where we used to go by cycle. So they will see, among our friends, they will see, oh, which cycle is coming from. There are three good brands. One is Hercules, another one Atlas, another one BSI. Now we can't find the BSI cycle and Hercules, even the Atlas. By seeing the brand name of the cycles, there will be one sticker. Sticker in the sense not in a plastic one, it is molded in the equivalent to silver. They will embed in the cycle, and we used to walk and see who is coming in the Atlas cycle. Atlas cycle means it is like to Audi car. Now we are telling where are equivalent to Audi car, but it is also very common nowadays. Equivalent to Audi car in case of car, in those days it is Atlas cycle. Usually in those days, the faculty members used to come in Atlas cycle, we will see. Even our father, Jose Kuti, was having the nice cycle. I think some of you know, our former principal. He used to see who is coming in Atlas cycle. Atlas cycle means the different get. They will have prestige issue. If you are coming in BSI cycle, we assume that, okay, this person is not coming in a good cycle. He will be ranked second. That is the concept once upon a days. The Atlas cycle was very well branded. Even it was started in 1951. See that one, very good organization. It was created by the Janki Das Kapoor, famous entrepreneur. He was considered as the #1 entrepreneur after India became Indian independence. Even most of the schools, they used to mention about the Janki Das Kapoor, the good entrepreneur from India. He has been recognized worldwide for starting up this Atlas cycle. He went to different countries and he received Best Entrepreneur Award. In those days, it was very famous. Cycling is very nice. Now, once again, the trend changes. Most of our students decided to come by electric cycles and saying to avoid the pollution. Okay. This Atlas cycle was very famous and people used to come with that one. Like now, some of you know Mark IV of Ambassador car or Audi car, like that, it was very famous. What happened later on? When the purchasing power increased among the people and the price of the two-wheeler in the sense motor two-wheelers came down, the people used to shift. They used to change to, first was the TVS. Some of you know the TVS was having the production unit nearby Bangalore, that is in Hosur in Tamil Nadu. So they used to buy TVS two-wheelers. In Suzuki was very famous. That is, I'm telling after, I think 1990, 80s, it was only cycles. If we used to see any person is coming in two-wheeler with in Suzuki, oh, he is coming in Suzuki, we used to tell the stories. See that one, but this Atlas cycle, even it was famous, but it fails to create a market once again. But it assumed that they are the big shots in two-wheeler market. Even though they exported the two-wheelers in different countries, the Atlas cycle was exported to different countries. From India, we came to know that from Mumbai, minimum 2 ships will carry Atlas cycle. You can see how many cycles they are exporting. It was the peak time for Atlas cycles, especially to European countries and Gulf countries. Minimum 2 ships per week will go with the cycle. That was the good export. But this what happened, Janki Kapoor, later on, they spent huge money. They assumed that Atlas cycle was having huge market and they spent huge money everywhere. The result, the market for the Atlas cycle came down because people shifted their transport mode to two-wheeler, motor two-wheelers, then onto cars. So what happened? The organization was forced to shut down. No profit. And they also mentioned that from Bangladesh and neighboring countries, most of them entered into India with cheap bicycles. The Chinese bicycle entered into India. It was very cheap compared to Indian cycle, that is the Atlas cycle. Atlas cycle is very strong in my view. Even still, I remember the weight of the Atlas cycle was huge compared to the present cycles. So see that one, what happened? On one day in June 2017, everything came down. They were forced to close their business. Once he was praised for the entrepreneurship, he was considered as the guru of entrepreneur in India. In those days, the people never used to come as an entrepreneur very quickly. But he came, he survived. But they failed to know what is the band rate. They expended huge amount in Doordarshan for advertisement. Still, I remember the Doordarshan ad, how the Atlas ad is coming. But what happened? Everything went on downtrend. The result, they closed their organization. See that one. The reason they failed to do so, they failed to change. But we have seen the example of the Horlicks. Horlicks also very old one. We discussed the story of the Horlicks. Very old company. But what happened? The Horlicks changed its strategy. They know their burn rate. They know that huge cost they are spending for advertisement, everything. They tend to decrease. And they change the product also. Once upon a time, I already told it was famous for Horlicks in bottles. Even now, in some of the houses, they used to tell that Horlicks bottle, very famous. You will have the pickles inside the Horlicks bottle. If anybody is going with the Horlicks bottle, we used to assume that he is going to buy the pickles. That was the story once upon a time in Bangalore, but now you can see they refused. So the Horlicks changed. Now you can see the diet Horlicks is also available. Horlicks for kids, Horlicks for women. They changed according to the situation, but these Atlas people, they failed to do so. Because of that, they were unable to control the expenses, huge and huge expenses, but no income. Atlas cycles were stopped. They were forced to stop the production. And you may not remember, if you see in case of old business news, that is Business Line by Hindu, I read the story that the Atlas cycle has been overproduced, especially in Haryana, in Gurgaon, all these places. What happened? Once the Atlas in the factory has been closed, some of the persons sold the Atlas cycle even for 100 rupees. Once it was priced high, when the factory has been closed, the Atlas cycles were sold only for 100 rupees. See that one, the worst trend happened. So you must know how to learn from these type of failures. That is why I shared that content to you, the failures. Okay? The reason most of them fails to find out whether our income is somewhat coming. They are spending huge money. What is the income? You have to find out. That is why now they used to tell that startups, it is the time to think like camel, not unicorn. Very old article. This article came in last year, 2020. So 1 year back, even though it is a very old article, it was a nice and golden article. They used to mention clearly, you are a startup organization. At the beginning stage, what you have to do? Never think like an unicorn. You may be unicorn in future. We have discussed the unicorn companies. Ola now achieved that one as a unicorn company. Paytm achieved, but even though failure. But the startup survey, which was published by Harvard Business Review, mentioned that it is time to think like camel. I think you know the characteristics of the camel. Camel will drink water once, it will store the water for more days. Since it was used to walk in the places like no water, desert area. That is the purpose of camel. It used to drink more water and save it. Later on, it will walk in the desert. That is saving purpose. Likewise, the startup should think they have to keep the money as a reserve. And if there is any unforeseen situation comes, they have to use. That is why startups has to think first like a camel, not as a unicorn. You can't plan that our business will run successfully. I am doing a nice business. Never think like that. Most of the business, they assume that, okay, we are doing well. For you, it is good. For others, I asked one of my students, he is telling that, I told that interior designer. I called that person and asked how much you will charge. Sir, I am charging 1 lakh rupees minimum. Okay, good. Whether you will get any income, if you are charging 50,000, what it will happen, I asked. No, sir, we won't go. Minimum 1 lakh only will go for interior design. He is confident. But you can see why he is telling 1 lakh rupees minimum. He is telling, sir, whatever it may be, when you are going for interior designing, everybody will tell different stories. Father will tell one story, mother will tell another story, the son will tell another story, doctor will tell another story. We have to adjust. For that stress level itself, we need minimum 1 lakh rupees. See that one, an interesting one. You can see the business is not very cool. You have to follow all the stress. I am telling you, you have to follow. Stress level will be high because you are expecting the profit near future. He clearly telling for interior designers, if I am going there and planning and give for just 50,000, it is waste. Because he used to design, he used to buy everything, used to fix all those things. He is spending minimum 1 day for one interior designing work. That is why he is telling less than 1 lakh is waste. Even if they are paying 5 lakhs also, we are working the design for 1 day only. So he is very clear. He knows clear. We need income. Only for that income, we have to decide about our business. That is the nice thing. Here is another example. Southwest Airlines. What happened? Southwest Airlines, it gained around income of $1.8 billion. Then what happened? Within a year, they decreased and they entered into loss. But then nothing happened. They are unable to run. Very good example in case of India, you know the Kingfisher Airlines story. They are very good in customer service, Kingfisher Airlines. I already told that example. Once upon a time, we used to go by Kingfisher because the service is good. They will come and pick up, and they are having number of facilities within the Kingfisher Airlines. If you want to go to Delhi in Kingfisher Airlines, when you are traveling itself, you want, you can book the room in Delhi. The customer service was absolutely good. That is why they feel that Kingfisher now come down. But on certain night, they announced that Kingfisher Airlines, we are closing. See that one? Nobody expected Kingfisher Airlines are going to be closed. Suddenly the decision came, and one midnight, they stopped the Kingfisher Airlines. See that one? Customers rated nicely, but what happened? These people failed to find out the profit. They were running in loss. That is the reason why they failed. All these things comes together under this burn rate. Why the most of the startups are failing? Because due to high burn rate. They are spending too much money without nothing. Same thing happen everywhere. Some of the students will spend too much money without knowing their requirements. That means it is also coming under the burn rate. See that one, most of the startups, the burn rate is high. That means this chance of failure is high. That is why when you are planning for the venture, you should be very clear. You can see more than 50% of all the US startups fail after just 5 years. Only 5 years they are able to survive. And these entrepreneurs, they are unable to match between the revenue and expenses. If it is matched, it should be in the same position. It should not go up and down. See that one. The matching of revenue is essential along with the expenses. If you fail, then you can't survive. To match this, you are going to study the concept of burn rate. Okay? It is nothing but negative cash flow per month. It means that, simply speaking, loss of the month is the burn rate. And that too in the form of cash. If you are losing the cash in 1 month, that is the burn rate. How many months you are able to run the business with the present cash, you have to decide. Then only you can control the burn rate. Dear students, everywhere, I told the example of seeing a cinema in Elements Mall. Same thing, you have to identify the burn rate. Burn rate here, there means the success rate. Whether our cinema going story is said to be success, you have to measure. Like in case of social media, based upon the like, you are measuring your brand value. Likewise, here is an example that how to find out the burn rate and what are all the steps we can take to reduce the burn rate. This is the concept of burn rate. Simply speaking, the negative cash flow for an organization is called the burn rate. How you can, in case of Flipkart, they reduce the burn rate. You can see Flipkart, to bring down the amount spent on the advertisement, they finally stopped some of the advertisement. Then Flipkart aims to bring down the rate up to 1/4 by March. It reduced its cost. Likewise, they used to take more measures to reduce the expenses. Of course, in business terminology, we used to call it as cash crunch also. So what is the meaning of burn rate originally? It measures how quickly your cash holdings are decreasing. Cash holdings are decreasing means now you are having 20 lakhs for your business. You already spent 15 lakhs. Only 5 lakhs are with you. You must know that one. How far we can run our business with this amount. That is the burn rate. You are unable to estimate your expenses are increasing means the burn rate start firing. Be clear. If the burn rate is firing, it means that in future you are going to shut down the business. So you have to estimate clearly. There should not be any burn rate. Okay? There are some of the formula. We'll see the formula one by one. There are some concepts. One concept is called cash burn rate. Cash burn rate means whether we are having the cash to run our business successfully. We already borrowed loan from somebody. Now you decided to spend that money for cash burn rate. This is simple thing. The company uses its cash balance. If anything happen, the company can use that cash balance. Then we used to call the one concept called cash runway. Cash runway means how many months we are able to run our business with the present cash on the assumption that there is no sales. In our business, there is no sales. So what is the burn rate? How to calculate that one? Simple thing, the burn rate means how long the cash lost at the current burn rate. Okay? We'll see the one of the example of that one. We are using different terms. Gross burn rate also we are using. The net burn rate, that is after profit, is the net burn rate. Okay, now we'll see how you can determine the burn rate. First, the cost included in the burn rate. What are all the costs included in the burn rate? You must know. See that one, the cost in the included in the burn rate includes the cost relating to outsider talent. Very important thing, the cost relating to outside talent. Why it is mentioned that one? Because in case of business, how much the outsider is expecting money from us. Okay? So we have to estimate what are all the costs relating to the outside talent. That is quite interesting thing. Burn rate meaning we have discussed, that is how much cash we needed. Then we have to decide if you want to say cash inflows or outflow or income and expenses. What will be the burn rate? So that is why they define the cost included in burn rate, the outside talent, then the salaried employees. That is easiest one. If you are paying monthly 10,000 rupees as salary, the total expenses from that equipment is 40 lakhs. You can multiply it by another 5. That you can do. The salaried employees, you can see that one, how much you are paying to the salaried employees. Then the slash fund. Then the anticipated minor expenses. Slash fund is a very interesting thing. In case of burn rates, slash fund means suddenly it will come. It is an unforeseen circumstances expenses. Maybe due to accidents or change in law. In case we have to maintain the slash fund. That is the reserve you have to maintain in the cash, in your wallets. That is the slash fund. Okay. Usually the slash fund is used to find out clearly what is the burn rate of the organization. We'll see one example also. That is why we used to call it as a runway. Runway in the business refers to the how many months we can survive with the cash balance with us. After that, it starts flying, so you will get the profit. Be clear, the runway concept means whether we are having sufficient cash to run the business till we are getting the profit. Be clear. Till we are getting the profit, we should have some cash. You may decide to own a microbiology lab or psychology lab. You might have expended the huge money. Whether you are able to take back the huge money, that is very important. Okay, so in case of runway concept, The simple thing, how many years you are able to run your business without income, because you are having sufficient cash with you. With that cash you can run. But if you are unable to gain the profit at the end, the entire business is said to be waste. What happened in Kingfisher Airlines? That is why this burn rate has been included as the runway concept. You can see usually the burn rate will be decreasing trend. This is one sample taken from one organization. You can see the burn rate tends to decrease. So how we will calculate the burn rate? Very important thing for your examination point of view, the calculation of the burn rate. We used to call different type. One is net burn rate. It means opening cash minus the closing cash divided by how many month. Beginning cash balance means on 1st January 2021, you are having 50 lakhs. So what you will mention? Beginning of cash balance 50,000, ending the cash balance. On the day, what is the share price is? That is the ending balance. Different divided by time period. If you mention 12 means it comes 1 month. Yeah. So usually this burn rate is having the huge effect. Let us assume a simple example from the travel and tourism industry. If your business spent rupees 50,000 in first month and 1,25,000 rupees in following 2 months, what will be the burn rate? Simple thing. Even though you are not having conceptual definitions, you must know. You are spending around 50,000 in the first month and rupees 1,25,000 in each month following the 2 months. You are getting that one. Your business is spending. So what will be the burn rate? Simple thing, what they mentioned, that is the 50,000, the amount you spent minus the amount you incurred, that is 1,25,000. The balance amount is considered as the profit. Okay, so simply speaking, the calculation of burn rate means the amount you are going to spend. That is considered as the burn rate. You can see the formula. Burn rate is approximately equal to 2 months. Even for inventory, we can calculate. You have to find out the cash runway, and cash runway is equal to current cash balance divided by burn ratio. Okay, then if your startup is needing 9 lakh rupees, in case the remaining under a burning rate of rupees 1 lakh per month, we got 9 months of the runway. Simple thing. That means till 9 months, we are having money to survive. If you are starting a nice restaurant in Gedahali, you are starting the restaurants. So your dad is giving around 50 lakhs. Your grandfather is contributing another 50 lakhs. So you are having 1 crore rupee. So what you will do in case of this cash runway, with that 1 lakh rupees, how many years you are able to survive? It may be 3 years or 4 years. After that, you have to get the profit. Otherwise, you have to close down the business. That is why here the formula is like that. If your startup has rupees 9 lakh in cash and remaining has burn rate of rupees 100 per month, what we have discussed previously. We have got 9 months of runway. That means 9 lakh divided by 1 lakh. That is the runway. Why you are studying the runway? Because you must know the safest side. Till runway, we will be very, very safe. After takeoff, we don't know. Okay? That is why we are using the term runway here. Okay? Here is another interesting calculation. In your examination, there is no problem, don't worry. But you must know, one of the startup has just raised 10 million, bringing their cash balance to 11.5 million. Over the next 3 months, they gone to lose the 2,50,000 and $3 lakh, so they are moving out. You are asked to calculate the band rate. The simple thing, the opening balance 11,500 minus closing balance 10,67,000 and divided by 3. That is 3 months only they will be there. So 3, then it comes around 275.00. That is $275. That is the band rate. Okay. This is a simple example of the band rate. Okay. How we can reduce the band rate? We have discussed what are all the concept of band rate and why they are failing. Tomorrow we will discuss how we can control the band rate. Okay. With this we will stop. So dear students, you must know the meaning of band rate, the concept behind the band rate, and tomorrow we are going to discuss whether we can reduce the band rate or runway also quickly, whether we are able to take off. That thing we will discuss tomorrow. This will conclude the class today. Okay. I think tomorrow we will meet by this time. Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you.